Hey guys, are you want to buy best motorcycle battery chargers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best motorcycle battery chargers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Noco Genius Smart Battery Charger. The Genius is an impressive upgrade, smaller, stronger, and smarter than previous models like the G750. Despite its compact size, it delivers over 35% more power and functions as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator all in one. Its wide compatibility is a major advantage, supporting both 6V and 12V lead-acid batteries as well as modern lithium-ion, LiFePO4, types across cars, motorcycles, boats, ATVs, lawn equipment, and more. What truly sets the Genius apart is its precision charging. The built-in thermal sensor automatically adjusts to temperature, preventing overcharging in heat and undercharging in cold conditions. It can even revive dead batteries from as low as 1 volt, and force mode helps bring back those completely drained to zero. For long-term maintenance, this charger is worry-free. It constantly monitors battery health, avoids overcharging, and uses pulse technology to reduce sulfation and extend battery life. The package includes a 1A charger, clamps, eyelet terminals, and a long DC cable, all backed by a 3-year warranty. A powerful, reliable choice for any vehicle owner. Now our second product is Battery Tender Powersports for motorcycle. The Battery Tender 12V, 750 mAh charger and maintainer is an outstanding solution for anyone who wants to keep their powersport vehicle ready to ride year-round. It delivers a full, efficient charge and then automatically switches to float mode, ensuring the battery stays at optimal voltage during long-term storage without the risk of overcharging. Compatible with all 12V lead-acid, flooded, AGM, and gel cell batteries, it uses a smart 4-step charging program that truly sets it apart from basic trickle chargers. The package includes everything you need: a long 12-foot output cord, a fused ring terminal harness for hard-to-reach batteries, and alligator clips for quick connections. Despite its compact 1-pound design, it's incredibly safe and easy to use, thanks to spark-proof circuitry and automatic reverse hookup protection. The 2-color LED indicator makes monitoring charge status effortless, and its adaptive technology resumes full charging if voltage drops. With a 5-year warranty and lifetime support, this charger delivers reliability, convenience, and real peace of mind for any rider. Our third product is First Power Pro Trickle Charger for motorcycle battery. The First Power Pro 4-in-1 battery charger is an incredibly versatile and compact solution for anyone who needs a reliable charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator in one unit. It works with both 6V and 12V batteries, including flooded, AGM, gel, SLA, VRLA, maintenance-free, and even LiFePO4 lithium batteries. The dual-bank 2A x2 design is a major advantage, allowing you to charge 2 batteries at once, perfect for those with multiple vehicles like cars, motorcycles, ATVs, RVs, tractors, or boats. Its advanced repair mode helps restore aging batteries, improving performance and lifespan, while the smart thermal sensor ensures precise charging in any climate. The charger can revive batteries as low as 1 volt and even includes a force mode to recover fully dead batteries. Safety is clearly a priority with spark-proof connections, reverse polarity protection, and weather-resistant construction. The intuitive LED display makes diagnostics simple, and the lightweight, ultra-portable design is great for garage or travel use. Backed by strong customer trust and a 3-year warranty, this charger is an excellent long-term investment. Now number 4, Lesterton Trickle Battery Charger. This 2-in-1 battery charger and maintainer is a highly reliable and versatile solution for keeping your 12V batteries in top condition. It works seamlessly with all lead-acid types, including AGM, gel, SLA, flooded, and VRLA, and also supports charging for 12V LiFePO4 batteries with BMS. Whether you're maintaining a car, motorcycle, boat, lawn mower, tractor, RV, or powersport vehicle, this charger handles it all with ease. Safety is a standout feature. The charger includes comprehensive protections against reverse polarity, short circuits, overvoltage, overcurrent, overload, and overheating. Spark-proof connections and weather-resistant construction add an extra layer of confidence, while the built-in thermal sensor ensures precise charging in both hot and cold climates. The 8-foot total cable length with detachable alligator and ring terminals makes setup simple, and its automatic float mode maintains batteries without risk of overcharging. The low-voltage repair function is especially useful for recovering weak lead-acid batteries above 4V. Lightweight, easy to store, and trusted by thousands, it also comes with a 3-year warranty and responsive 24/7 support, offering great value and dependable performance. And our last choice is LVIUN Smart Motorcycle Battery Charger. The LVIUN 12V/24V Smart Charger is an excellent all-in-one solution for anyone needing reliable battery charging and maintenance. Designed for a wide range of lead-acid batteries AGM, GL, STD, EFB, and Deep Cycle, it also supports 12V/14.4V LiFePO4 batteries, making it extremely versatile. With its strong 12V40A and 24V20A output options, it delivers fast, efficient charging backed by a fully automatic 6-stage charging algorithm. The automatic battery detection, adjustable current settings, and intelligent restart function make it a true set-and-forget maintainer. It's ideal for winter storage, keeping your batteries healthy with precision trickle charging. The dedicated repair mode is a valuable feature for recovering old, sulfated, or idle 12V batteries, helping extend their lifespan, though it cannot fix completely damaged batteries. Using the charger is simple, just connect and plug in. With compatibility ranging from cars and motorcycles to boats, trucks, and lawn equipment, it's a dependable tool for any vehicle owner. Enhanced safety features overcurrent, overheating, reverse polarity, short-circuit protection ensure worry-free operation. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it's a powerful and dependable charging solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.